Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the ehero employee login. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down ehero employee login and click on the enter option. And after that, click on this first option that says employment hero login. And after you click on that, you'll get into an interface like this where you're required with your email. Simply type down your email and click on the next option over here. And then you'll be required for your password again and type down your password. Make sure you type down the correct password and click on the login option. And then you'll be successfully logged into your employment hero. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, click on this forgot password in order to recover or reset it. And if you do not have an organization set up, you can still start the free trial clicking on this option. And if you are not an employee account, you can also join as an existing organization by clicking in this option. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.